In China, the National College Entrance Exam is regarded as the ultimate gateway to success by countless parents. From an early age, students are instilled with the belief that the Gaokao is not just another exam. It's the exam that will shape their futures. For families across the nation, it signifies the key to unlocking opportunities in higher education, stable careers, and a better quality of life. Every year, an astonishing 13 million students tackle this formidable challenge, yet only about 6–7% secure a spot at the country's most elite universities. What does it take to rise to the top in such a high-pressure system? The odds are undeniably steep, and the journey is nothing short of grueling. Picture competing not only against classmates but also against millions of peers nationwide, all aiming for a limited number of seats in prestigious institutions. The pressure is relentless, pushing students to spend countless hours studying, often at the cost of sleep, hobbies, and even mental well-being. In this intense environment, each mark carries immense weight, leaving virtually no room for mistakes. But behind these staggering numbers lies a remarkable narrative of determination and perseverance. Students face rigorous academic demands, tackling a challenging curriculum and complex questions that test their skills across a wide range of subjects. For them, the Gaokao is far more than an academic assessment. It's a test of willpower and emotional resilience, a life-altering experience that defines their paths forward. As exam day approaches, the stakes couldn't be higher. Every moment counts, and the pressure is palpable. Yet, year after year, millions of students step up to the challenge, driven by their own aspirations and the dreams of their families. For better or worse, the Gaokao has become a symbol of the unyielding drive and ambition that defines the spirit of modern China. After enduring the grueling journey of the Gaokao and securing a spot at a university, many students in China believe they've reached the turning point toward a bright future. However, the challenges don't end with admission to college. The reality of postgraduate life is often equally demanding, as finding a job in an increasingly competitive market presents its own hurdles. With millions of graduates entering the workforce each year, competition for quality employment is fiercer than ever. In recent years, over 10 million students graduate annually, further saturating the job market and intensifying the race for desirable positions. One of the most significant obstacles graduates face is the mismatch between their qualifications and the job market's demands. Many students invest years of study in fields that either lack sufficient job opportunities or have low entry-level salaries. This situation forces graduates to compete not only with peers from their own universities, but also with alumni from elite institutions whose prestigious backgrounds often give them an edge. Employers in China often prioritize degrees from top-tier schools, leaving graduates from mid-ranking universities struggling to stand out. Additionally, the experience paradox adds to the difficulty.